So, I have successfully held Greenfield here at 7 Stages hostage all night long. It has been a quiet time, peaceful, without him around. Well, he has been screaming quite a bit, but what are you doing over there?
Better luck next time, Riviere.
What? How did you get out?
Jewish trade secret.
No! Oh! Come back here! Come back here, Greenfield! No, come back here! I think I've lost him. I can't. He's just too fast. Oh, I knew I should have taken his keys away. That probably would have been a good idea. I'll think of that next time. I don't. Whew. Oh, I'm out of shape. Yeah. Well, hopefully there will be a next time. Be aware of the. Oh my gosh! Ah! No! No!